Colorado resort towns are not immune to a recent coronavirus spike. So what about Summit? Phil Lindeman, Crystal, 93 News. First, CDOT's Big Summer Project, bringing 2 continuous lanes to both sides of Highway 9 through Frisco, reaches a milestone next week.
We're putting in a temporary roundabout at the intersection of Water Dance Drive and Pequin Boulevard.
That was Elise Thatcher with CDOT. It is the first of 2 roundabouts on that project.
The delays that have been taking place so far are really largely due to the signal that we have in place there now.
CDOT monitors traffic there next Wednesday and Thursday to prepare for the anticipated Independence Day surge. By October, a permanent roundabout and pedestrian underpass will be finished.
The project is on schedule, which we are excited to see.
Swan Mountain Road is your detour on Tuesday, when traffic could be delayed 15 minutes at that new roundabout. 3 missing children from Florida were found during a routine traffic stop outside of Steamboat Springs. The Steamboat pilot reports the children, ages 1, 4, and 6, were riding in a bus with their mother. A state trooper stopped the bus for blocking traffic. All 4 people inside were recently reported missing and allegedly in danger. No arrests were made. The children are with Routt County Protective Services, while the mother undergoes a mental health evaluation. Summit County fire danger is down to moderate today after a week's worth of afternoon rain. A permit is still required for backyard fires. Call your local fire department to apply for free. Fires on Forest Service land are limited to fire rings at established campgrounds. You cannot have a fire at dispersed campsites. A student-led demonstration in Dillon yesterday drew more than 40 people to Marina Park for a march and talks about equity in support of local Black, Hispanic, and LGBTQ communities. Joining the march was State Senate candidate Arn Menconi, a Democrat from Carbondale.
What these youth are showing, what these movements are showing, that staying in the street has changed laws.
Also yesterday, Town of Silverthorne released a statement on equity, vowing to confront social injustice, racism, and implicit bias. Town staff and council promised to review policies and town culture to, quote, create an environment that is equitable for all. Coronavirus is spiking across the U.S., including neighboring states like Texas and Arizona, along with Summit County's neighbors. High country newspapers report on rising caseloads in resort towns. At least 33 confirmed cases in the past week in Eagle County, 44 in Garfield, and 11 in Pitkin. Summit reports 5 new cases in the past week, including a stretch of 3 days with no new cases, the longest here since March. Meanwhile, Governor Jared Polis has regularly pointed to Eagle County and the Vail area as a prime example of COVID recovery, while Summit Commissioner Elizabeth Lawrence warns against comparing counties.
There's many comparisons to us to other counties. Well, Eagle County does it this way. Well, Eagle County is not Summit County, and they have handled things in a different way. They have a different health care provider there.
Eagle County's caseload soared this week, led by an outbreak of at least 11 teenagers in Basalt. Summit confirms 3 outbreaks total, the most recent in late May at City Market in Breckenridge, Lowe's in Silverthorne, and downstairs at Eric's on Main Street Breck. The latest now on coronavirus and resort reopenings. River Run Gondola at Keystone is spinning today, the first time for visitors since March. Lauren Roberson with the resort.
Similarly to the skier responsibility code, we're really asking guests and employees to take on a new level of personal accountability just so that we can ensure the safety of the mountains in our community.
The gondola runs Friday through Sunday only through Labor Day. Keystone Bike Park will not be opening this year.
We know that guests love the bike park, and we didn't make this decision lightly, but we feel by focusing on the smaller operational footprint and getting our guests onto the mountains with the scenic gondola rides and hiking, we're in a well-positioned place to ensure the safety of our employees and guests.
Also closed all season, Keystone Ranch Golf Course. The river course is open now, same as Keystone Tennis Center. Breckenridge opens for summer July 4th, Copper most likely July 3rd. At A-Basin, they are replacing the old Pallavicini chair with a new 2-person chair. No word yet on summer operations there. Summit County confirms 273 cases of COVID-19 as of today, 2 more than yesterday, and 34 new tests. And in local sports, brought to you by American Family Insurance, the Weiss Agency, it's trail running season in Summit County. For the first time ever, Town of Frisco is hosting an adult trail running series. The Frisco Solo Series opens next Wednesday, July 4th, with 4 races throughout the summer. You've got 48 hours to run those courses based on Strava times. Cost is $50 for all 4. Sign up through townoffrisco.com. And first race of the Summit Trail Running Series is in 2 weeks, July 8th, at the Mountain Thunder 5K and 8K in Breck. Get signed up through BreckenridgeRecreation.com. Phil Lindeman, Crystal, 93 News.